Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are doing well. Just wanted to, yeah, I just had an idea. Sorry about the weird lighting as well. Let's see. No, it doesn't help much, but I was kind of thinking how I was thinking about the military and all that process and the way that that's ran. And I was kind of thinking about how, in the military, once you join, you're taught, oh, yeah, we're all unified. It doesn't matter if you're black, blue, pink, purple, we're all unified and whatnot. And I was thinking about how, aspects of how the military is ran and whatnot, and what, good aspects there are. And I was like, oh, they teach unity, even though there's racism, and all that. You don't need to go into that, but, they teach unity. Oh, we're all fighting for this. We're all, they teach unity in the military, and I was like, why don't? And not only does it, I think, make it better for the people or whatnot. I think it just makes it a good tight knit community somewhat. And obviously, if we taught that, why don't we teach that in just real life? Why don't from we teach oh yeah, we should help everybody, we're all people, not even just we're all American. Why aren't we taught we should just be good people? We should just because that person's a person, we should be good. We're not taught that. Why are only once you guys have an enemy are we taught to be treat each other good? We're only told to treat each other good when we have a common difference. Why can't we just treat each other good regardless? But yeah, thank you. Hope that piqued your interest.